This is a brand new 2013 Buick Encore. Features include commercial-free satellite radio, a low tire pressure indicator, roof rails, dual airbags, 3-point rear seat belts, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, a folding rear seat, cruise control, and a rear-view camera. With an EPA estimated rating of 33 miles per gallon on the highway, it doesn't compromise fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Come see how little you pay when you buy from Bill K. For additional information, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We look forward to serving you.